What you doing? Hey, what you doing? What you doing, buddy? Looking for some food? I'll get you some food. Yeah, I got some food for you. Come here, baby. Come here. Come on. Come here. You know you want to. Quit being afraid. 5 foot. He's practicing social distancing. He's like 6 feet away. Social distancing. Well, that's max magnification, 10 times magnification. So, anyway, this bird's been coming around. It's getting pretty tame. He's coming around. He knows I'll give him a little piece of cereal bar, peanut, uh, sunflower seed, something. Anyway, you gonna talk to me? Hmm? Talk. You know you like to make noise and get my attention. You know you do. All right. You're being boring. The audience is not going to stay with you being this boring. All right, buddy. Yeah? Looking around, checking it out, huh? All right. Maybe you'll find something for you to eat now. All right. Signing off. Say goodbye.